Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would show you how I have my coffee bar set up for summer. I am keeping it very simple. I've shown you my coffee bar many times, but we'll go over it again today with the few simple changes that I have made. So my coffee bar is set up as a coffee/tea station. So I have my little coffee sign lit up here, and we come down in the morning and we make coffee or tea, which in my case today we are having tea. We are having spiced chai, and I absolutely love spiced chai. I just love the flavor. If you've never tried it, go ahead and get some. My boyfriend used to make me this spiced chai drink, which is spiced chai with some apple juice. Oh my gosh, it is so good. You have to try it. I'll ask him for the recipe and leave that link down below. But that's what we're having today. I'm having some spiced tea. Now, my boyfriend works long hours, and as such, sometimes he needs a quick pick-me-up on coffee. So we have a coffee press here as well, where he can make his own coffee. And sometimes he wants to make bullet coffee. And so we have these little packs of, oh gosh, what is instant coffee that he uses to make his bullet coffee with, to give him a little bit of energy. We also have some espresso cups back here that I picked up from Marshall's. These cute little cups. Oh, so cute. Look at that little faux marble, but I think it's absolutely adorable. And I think I paid $5.99 for those from Marshall's, but I love those. And then for a quick little snack, we have some cookies here, which they don't stay here long because this is not vacuum sealed, so they wouldn't stay fresh for very long. But these are orange flavored cookies. Oh my gosh, they are so good. I don't know what the name of these are called, but I picked them up from Home Goods just to try. Absolutely love them. And then we have these little sticks here that you always have, or most people have with coffee. And I just love, I don't know, the aesthetic and the presentation that it gives. I don't normally eat them, my boyfriend does, so absolutely love the look. So this is how my coffee bar is styled for summer. Like I said, it's a coffee bar / tea station, and so I have my Smeg tea kettle over here, and as you see, I just fill it up with water, let it heat up, and then pour my hot water to make my tea. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick and simple video, and it has given you some inspiration on how to style your coffee bar for summer. I want to thank Kimberly Davis, as this is part of her collaboration. It's the Summer Coffee Beverage Bar collaboration that she hosts every season, and I love to participate. Her co-host is Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants, where you are sure to get tons of ideas for your coffee bar for summer. If you have enjoyed the video, I would so appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Do you have an all coffee bar, or do you have a coffee/tea bar? I'd love to know. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.